Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine. And you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss a set English grammar question set. That is 10th class English grammar, right? So today's set question, first set question begins like this. Rewrite the following sentences according to the instructions given in the brackets. Let us start early. ଚାଲ ସହର ବାହାରି ପଡ଼ିବା. We will be late for the class. ନହେଲେ ଆମର ଡେରି ହେଇଯିବ. Join the sentences using a coordinator. You know there are coordinators and but therefore these are the coordinators. So you will use here a coordinator. Let us start early. Look at the blackboard. Coordinators are given and read them. Okay? So let us start early. Otherwise, no hele. That is otherwise, no hele. The coordinator, right coordinator here is no hele, otherwise. Otherwise, no hele. We, W will become small letter. Because now it is in the middle of the sentence. So let us start early, otherwise we will be late for the class. The right answer is otherwise. Okay. Next one. Let us start early. Okay, done. Any doubts? No doubts? Any complaint?
For
the class? Yes.
is nice.
Late for class. This one. No? Let us start early, otherwise we will be late.
For class and for the class.
That is separate. Next. How vast the oceans are. This is an exclamatory sentence. Change into a sentence in the declarative form. Declarative form. ଆମେ ତାକୁ ଡିକ୍ଲେରେଟିଭ୍ ଫର୍ମରେ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିବା. ଡିକ୍ଲେରେଟିଭ୍ ଫର୍ମ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିବା ମାନେ ଆଇ ହାଭ୍ ଟୋଲ୍ଡ ୟୁ ରିମେମ୍ବର ଆଇ ହାଭ୍ ଟୋଲ୍ଡ ୟୁ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ହାଉ ୱିଲ୍ ବିକମ୍ ଭେରି ଏଣ୍ଡ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଏ ୱିଲ୍ ବିକମ୍ ଏ ଭେରି instead of every we will use what and instead of how we will use very. How very, right? What a very. So here only how is here, so we will use very, right? So how vast the oceans are. How vast? Now let's draw a line here. Dividing a line here. How vast? After how vast? Now sentence became. Now the sentence was divided into two parts. How very is the first part and the second part is the oceans are. The second part will go to the first position and the first part will come to the second position. How will it become very? So very vast. The oceans are very vast. So here the right answer is, just 1 minute, the right answer is the oceans. Oceans Mahasamudra. Oceans are very very vast, विशाल. महासमुद्र
डिवाइडेड
पळेला ମୁଁ ସେଇଟାକୁ କଟ୍ କରିଦେବାରୁ ଡିଭାଇଡେଡ୍ ୱାଜ୍ ଡିଲିଟେଡ୍ ଅଟୋମେଟିକଲି. Shall I give you? Okay, I shall give. Just one, that is slash. Yes, this is. Could you understand? Right? Slash, that is a slash mark. So The sentence became the oceans are very vast. This is a statement. Next one is Koraput is a beautiful district. I was born there. Join the sentences changing the second into a relative class. Relative class kariba. There are two types of classes. One is a noun class, another is a relative class. Its other name is adjective class. And the third one is a adverb class. तो रिलेटिव क्लास करिया माने कौन कही फास्ट वी विल मार्क दि रिलेशन वी विल मार्क द रिलेशन विथ ए वर्ड इन सेंटेंस वन विथ दि वर्ड इन सेंटेंस टू तो फास्ट लेट्स सी व्हिच वर्ड्स आर रिलेटेड इन द बोथ सेंटेंस कोरापुट इज ए ब्यूटीफुल डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोरापुट हूँ गोटे सुंदर जिला आई वाज बॉर्न देर मु सेठारे जन्म सेठारे माने कोठारे कोरापुट सो व्हिच इज रिलेटेड कोरापुट इज रिलेटेड टू देर राइट कोरापुट इज रिलेटेड टू देर दिस इज रिलेटेड कोरापुट इज रिलेटेड टू द वर्ड देर राइट राइट सो यही जगह आम कौन करिया रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन यूज करवा कोरापुट इज Koraput is noun. Its relative, its pronoun is there. So instead of there, we will use where, right? Where is there बदली आमे कौन करिया where use करिबा कर देबा just 1 minute. We will use it, we will cut it and we will use here where. Where. Hey, where dagu say sentence we will take it to the front position of the same sentence. So here where the sentence will become where I was born. कौन कले प्रोनाउन टा बदले रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन रखले से रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन टाको से सेंटेंस रा फ्रंट नहीं रखिदेले we just removed the pronoun with its relative pronoun and now we are going to keep the relative pronoun at the beginning of the same sentence. So से सेंटेंस टा कौन हम जस्ट 1 मिनट कौन हम वे आगे प्रथम लिखिदेबा ये आम कौन कले देटा काटिदेली कहीं प्रोनाउन काटिली ता बदल आम कौन रखा रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन वे रखा किंतु ये रखा वी विल प्लेस इट इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस दैट इज वेयर WHERE वेयर नाउ इट बिकेम ए क्लास वेयर क्लास आर सहित क्या सहित संपर्क थिला टेल मी रिमेंबर देरटा क्या सहित संपर्क थिला टू हुम इट वाज रिलेटेड कोरापुट सहित सो वी विल प्लेस दी वेयर क्लास आफ्टर कोरापुट यस वी विल सिलेक्ट ओके सिलेक्टेड राइट yes selected right copy then we shall paste here paste paste yes Koraput where I was born is a beautiful district let's say place हाँ Koraput where I was born is a beautiful district right Koraput where I was born is a beautiful place or a district beautiful place 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 place
Point.
हाँ
Point.
full stop that is not a point that is a full stop saying this next one is I suggested what did I say I suggested him to going there. Hello, him fill in the blank with the correct alternative. Which is the to go? This is specific. This is specific. So we should use to go. To go. Right. Right. Next, remove the options. Yes. Next one is they kept us waiting for a long time. Change into passive form. तुम जानी चो passive voice करिया मैंने कौन subject will go subject will go to object place and object will come to subject place. We will make the verb its en form and will use any of the be verb. So they kept as waiting for a long time. First mark the what is the verb? First mark the verb. Verb is kept. Verb. Waiting for a long time. Aj is the object and they is the subject. Right? So object will go to the subject place. Aj will become we. We as subject place allowed to go object place. So we kept means past tense. Keep kept. Past tense रे काले कौन है जो बी रे गोट मिस जो was we were है जो we were kept keep kept we were kept waiting for a time for a long time. By them is not necessary to mention. Could understand? So let's do it. Yes. That is we were kept K-E-P-T kept waiting
For a long time.
for a long time. Okay, done. By them is not necessary to mention. We were kept waiting for a long time. Next one is that is rewrite the following sentences as per the instructions given. Okay, Kardi, I shall read. Rewrite the following sentences as per the instructions given in brackets. How will you please him? Rewrite the sentence using be going to. Be going to ता गोटे हेल्पिंग वर्ब बेले कहिथिले नहीं बी रे कोन अब इज गोइंग टू was are going to am going to was going to and were going to. So एडे कोन है जी बिल्ली अच्छी ना नहीं एडे बिल्ली अच्छी ना नहीं there is बिल्ली in the sentence remove it बिल्ली in which tense present tense. So be going to present tense हो जी is am are going to ता भीतर गोटे we will select one of them, right? So let's see which is appropriate. How will you पाखरे कौन रहिबो are you पाखरे कौन रहिबो are so are going to. So instead of in place of remove will and in its place write how are you going to please him going to please him, right? तो बिल्लीटा उठे देखिए हम ता बदले आर गोइंग टू यूज करते किंतु आटा दिभा करा सब्जेक्ट पूर्वर गोटे यू पूर्वर यू आर रखाला गोइंग टू ता पर रखाला मेन वर्ब पूर्व इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मेन वर्ब. So next one is the child are at play now. The right preposition is at play. Are playing जहाँ at play मत ताहा पर खेल रत अछंदी पिला माने वर्तमान खेल रत अछंदी at play बिच खेल रत खेलुचंती. तो सिमिलरली the police van was destroyed by an explosion. Destroyed two word verb. Destroyed two word verb टा होची कोन जानछ ना
Blown up.
blown up was blown up destroyed blew up blown up blew blew blown what is that blown
Up.
up you up बोले विस्फोरण है पुलिस भेन पूरा विस्फोरण हो गला व्हाट है विस्फोरण हो गला व्हाट डिड आई से विस्फोरण हो गला. नो इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. So leave it. We can't waste time for it. Was blown, P-L-O double blown up. UPF. By an explosion. Right? Next one is Gita has requested her friend to include her in the picnic. এইটা কোন কইছি রাইট দি সেন্টেন্স ইন ডাইরেক্ট স্পিচ আমি কোন কই ডাইরেক্ট স্পিচ actually we turned the direct speech into indirect speech, but here we are asked to turn the indirect speech into direct speech. Ulta पचारছি right? तो आम कौन करिया डायरेक्ट स्पीच को इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच कल while transforming a direct speech into an indirect speech, generally we used what? Inverted comma. Here we will use, we removed inverted comma in that case. সেইটা আমি inverted comma টা remove করতেলে. Here we will use. Would you understand? So let's see. Gita said. Gita has said to her friends.
Gita said to her friends.
नहीं गीता हेज हेजटा आम करें गीता हेज सेड है सेड टू हेर
To her friends.
फ्रेंड्स कम इनवर्टेड कमा कौन बा इनवर्टेड कमा देदेली टूटा रिमूव कर दे कहीं आम कहे बरा टू आम काटदा आलिकी कमा गीता हेज सेड टू हर फ्रेंड्स प्लीज से जो रिक्वेस्टेड अच्छे नत लगे प्लीज टा लगेदेव प्लीज 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 इंक्लूड
Me
मी
in the
picnic
picnic.
in the picnic full stop and inverted comma ends. That's all. बुझिला ना नहीं नेक्स्ट वन इज जस्ट 1 minute 2/3 ऑफ द एरिया 2/3 what is fraction is always singular, so has have are given has is singular have is plural, you know I have told you. So as it is singular the appropriate answer is has. We shall write just 1 minute. Has. Okay. Fill in the blank choosing the correct alternative given in the bracket. Do as a director. Ramesh days I played tennis with on a Sunday was fitter than I was. Se kon कहला रमेश ये कौन फिल इन दि गैप विथ ए रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन. रमेश गोटे पर्सन रमेश इज ए पर्सन इट्स रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन इज हु हुम. तो हियर वी शैल यूज हु WHO हु पर्सन पाखे हु व्यवहार करा जाए रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन. सो द राइट आंसर इज हु. नेक्स्ट अनलेस बोले इफ नॉट. अनलेस अर्थ हूँ इफ प्लस व्हाट डिड आई से इफ प्लस नॉट NOT नॉट इज इक्वल टू अनलेस. गुड अनलेस मन बोला कि अनलेस माइनस नॉट इज ओनली इफ अनलेस माइनस इफ इज ओनली नॉट. गुड अंडरस्टैंड. So unless jodi nahi you had a permit you could not this is the subordinate clause and this is the main clause. So main clause jehetu in the past tense we will make it also past tense. The verb in the bracket should be past tense, so have its past tense is had. So right answer is had. Could understand. Main clause past tense अछि बोले हम एडा past tense करछे. Could understand. Had. Unless you had a permit, you could not got a job. Next, neither of those officers be efficient. Neither of these officers. Neither of.
Hello.
Huh? Be रा रूप जा कौन है कि is am are was were. We will use one of them. So कौन अब neither of these officers कौन head नहीं. तमें बुझी पानु इज नली वाज अब सिंगुलर. दिस शुड बी सिंगुलर बोथ. हाँ इज करेक्ट एंड आल्सो वाज इज करेक्ट. हाँ नेक्स्ट पुट द ब्रैकेट इन द लास्ट से either of neither of no one these are the singulars. So we should use singular verbs. So singular be verbs are is, was. Are plural, were plural. Could understand? Are present plural, were past plural. Next, put the verb in brackets. We have already done it. Either you live or I will. What kind of clause the underlined clause is? Se underlined clause se kauchi. Either you live or I will. Could understand? Underline is just 1 minute. So coordinator is used. Underline clause is. So clause is asked. What is it? Coordinating clause. This is coordinators are used, and you know the coordinators. What are the coordinators? And but also these are the coordinators. So here a coordinating is a coordinating clause. This is a coordinating clause. Coordinating clause. CLAUS clause. Right. Next one is his familiarity dash the place saved him from a lot of trouble. So with his familiarity with. So what is fill in the blank appropriate preposition with. The right preparation is with. WITH. With this, that is the end of today's math question set, grammar set questions. We shall discuss the other session in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.